In this edition of Sailing Doodles, we continue our exploration of the southeastern islands of Thailand. Our patrons now get exclusive access to our super secret daily vlogs. For more information on the boat we are currently sailing, check out Group Island Spirit. Guys, before we begin this video, I just want to let you know that we're still taking reservations for the Sailing Doodles flotilla here in Thailand. They're booking up fast, so please go ahead and there's a link in the show notes to tell you more information on the cost and everything, and then how you can make a reservation. You can get a whole boat for less than $4,300, or just a cabin in a boat for less than $2,100. So it's a pretty nice, unique way to get to go sailing at a reduced cost. And if you don't know how to sail, no big deal. We'll put you on a boat that has an experienced skipper, or if you want the whole boat and bring some friends, but you still don't have an experienced captain, we can provide a professional skipper for you. It is a little bit of additional cost. So enjoy this video, guys. Thank you so much. Please like, thumbs up, and subscribe. See you out on the water. One of my favorite parts of the day while out cruising is getting up early to watch a nice, beautiful, and peaceful sunrise. There was no wind on this day, so we were in for a day of motoring. We had met some other sailors the night before, so as they headed out, they swung by. I think they were a little ambitious raising their sails. So we met these guys last night at the bar. Speaking of meeting people at the bar, we have an addition on board. This is Matthias. Introduce yourself, say where you're from.
Hamburg, Germany. You should know it's Europe.
Yeah, so. All right, well, you're gonna sail with us a couple nights, and then
yeah.
I guess you live in Bangkok?
No, luckily I don't, no.
Okay.
I'm heading back to Hamburg.
Okay, Hamburg.
Yeah.
All right, well, cool. Thanks for coming aboard.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah. The water was almost perfectly still as we motored out of the bay. It was only a quick 5 miles north from Koh Mak up to Koh Wai, where we planned to have lunch. With the anchor set, it was time to cool off, and there's no better way than jumping in the ocean. Koh Wai is a beautiful and tranquil place. It's never too busy and the perfect place to get away from it all. You can get a cabin on the beach here for only $15 a night.
It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
I love Thailand and the Thai people, but their boating etiquette can be quite poor at times. Making a wake through boats at anchor like this can be quite dangerous and only saves them about 45 seconds in time.
It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer?
After cooling off, it was time to go ashore and do some exploring.
But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good.
Pretty cool place. I could come spend a week or two here and just do nothing. Well, I don't know. I'm not kind of a do nothing kind of guy. I like to think I am, but I would go crazy sitting here and doing nothing for a couple weeks. I'd have to do something. But if you want to come here and do nothing for a little while, it's probably a place to do it. Just chill out and be. This is Law, the owner of the place.
Yeah.
Remember from last year?
Nice to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you too. Thanks for,
yeah.
He's very happy with the video we did last year, so.
Thank you very much.
We'll be back again the next year?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be alright.
Jellyfish?
Oh, no way!
What
The water is like so itchy.
Do you understand?
And it's the water here. And the,
Oh wow, I was in the water and it's burning, right?
Oh, yes.
What is it?
I don't know, it's worse here on the
You
boat.
have the same. I had this.
Yeah.
I was in the water and I was like something stinging me. Okay, I'm not a dog. But what do you think it is?
I don't know, a little bits for
No,
the jellyfish.
it's worse here where there's no current.
Okay, I'm good. Actually.
Well, I'm glad I didn't get in the water then.
Yeah.
It'll be alright.
With the jellyfish crisis averted, we motored up from Koh Wai to Bang Bao. When sailing around Thailand, you really have to keep an eye out for the fish trap stakes. They are everywhere, and good luck trying to see them at night. Bang Bao is what they call a floating village, although it's not really floating, it's built on stilts. It truly is a little village. There's homes, businesses, restaurants, hotels, everything you would find in a regular village you can find here. That evening, we headed into Bang Bao to go to one of my favorite restaurants, Buddha View. Underneath the tables opens up to the water, so you just hang your feet right out over the water.
Cheers.
You never know who you're going to run into. It's Mark and Nikki, a couple of viewers. It's pretty awesome running you guys in Thailand. We'll see you next week in Phuket area.
Yeah, absolutely.
Definitely. Cheers. Yeah. Yes, I know, not exactly a Thai meal, but it was fantastic. If you'd like to get access to our daily patrons vlog, you can become a patron for as little as $1. Thanks again to Group Island Spirit for supplying this boat. If you'd like more information about possibly buying one or chartering one, you can visit their website.